Our company is a foreign trade company dedicated to helping overseas finance manager China's supply chain. A professional independent team helps customers purchase products, provide you with one-stop service from product selection, payment, production and packaging, logistics, marketing assistance, and after-sales service. We have a professional data analysis team. Through various aspects of multi-dimensional data analysis, the current and future products will be popular in the market. When notified the team of engineers with 20 years of experience to develop the most cutting-edge products based on the feedback from the data team, to ensure that our products meet the needs of the market. After the new product is launched, the professional service team will provide you with the most professional product service. Through our 20,000 square meter non-static and dust-free factory specialized in producing your order. In production, we guarantee each product has passed regular testing and multiple inspections to ensure excellent quality. Finally, we will send it to you through the best quality logistics. We are committed to providing you with the most comprehensive service and the highest quality products to expand your business. Thanks.